Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about future predictions. So I'm going to be predicting, I'm going to do a little fun video. I'm going to predict the future and I'm going to go back and I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to see how much of my predictions came true. So let's begin. So this is Cam Batley's page, right? This is when they announced the employee cannabis coverage for medical cannabis for employees, and then down here there's a comment where we've indicated that a U.S. listing is in our plans, which is all I can say right now. A little busy closing Metroleaf at the moment, so I predict that on August 1st, 2018. Aurora will be moving to the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, sorry, not moving. They will be announcing that they have plans to move to the New York Stock Exchange on August 1st, 2018. This is just a prediction, but let's see if I'm correct or not, because I'm going to go back to this. And that's going to be the title of the video anyways. So, this is Aurora's Stock Exchange. And you notice that the volume was super crazy, and it was like 37 million for the day. I thought it had to do something with them acquiring Metroleaf, and that's why the share amounts are there. But yeah, it's been updated. They officially combined. The market cap is $6.5 billion. It's still 800 million dollars behind Canopy, but yeah, this is the market cap right now with Metroleaf, and I thought it had something to do with, you know, them merging, but according to this video, it's complete opposite. Well, it's not a complete opposite. This video is probably has information about that, saying that near the end of the day, like the last 15 minutes, there was a bunch of people buying, and then for some reason the stock wasn't rising. There was something suppressing the stock from rising above $7. He goes into details with the video. Check it out if you have some free time. It's a pretty interesting video. I have to say that I'm bullish on Monday. I think on Monday the stock's gonna rise, but we'll see what happens. That's actually, I guess that's another prediction, that the stock price is gonna rise on Monday, and then on Wednesday they're gonna announce a New York Stock Exchange listing. This is my prediction. Okay. This is Jim Cramer's video interviewing Canopy's Growth CEO Bruce Linton. If Aurora made it on Jim Cramer's video, what would you like? Like, who would you rather have on the show? Would you rather have Cam Batley on the show or Terry Booth, the CEO, on the show? I honestly would prefer Cam Batley because he just does such a good job in public speaking and doing interviews. That's like his specialty, which is a talent that not a lot of people have. So, before my prediction, I just kind of want to talk about Pendaneo since we're on Aurora, and I just kind of want to talk about Pendaneos. So on Aurora acquires medical cannabis market leader Pendaneos GmbH on May 26, 2017. When they acquired them, they had over 750 pharmacies, and just recently, and this is the investor presentation on June 20th, 2018, and they said that they currently have more than 3,000 pharmacies, and then they also signed up with a company called Hendrick Clank. So yeah, so the distribution channels in Europe for Aurora is very big, and they're the first company that is non-government to ship to Italy. So that's a pretty big deal. So okay, so this is the, what is it, like the sales license, like listings for all the companies in Canada, and I went to Canmart, and they still have the production license. They still haven't had the sales license. So I predict that on Monday, I think the stock was gonna decline back down to maybe $1.35. And I'm gonna attempt to sell some shares in the morning, but I probably won't get lucky. But we'll see what happens. So on August 2nd, 2018, August 2nd, 2018 is Thursday. So a day after the listing, after they announced the listing, I think they're gonna announce that they're gonna acquire 8% of T-God. I think that's gonna happen, but we'll see. We'll see, because Cam Batley is on the T-God board of directors, so he has insight on what T-God is doing, and if he sees that T-God is a good investment, maybe he'll tell like Aurora to invest into T-God, so Aurora can, because Aurora has the cash, and my prediction is they will. And then if that happens, that's going to show confidence, and that's going to cause the stock to rise. But for the entire week, I'm predicting that it's going to hover between 540 to 550. But I'm hoping that's just my prediction, but I'm hoping it goes down to $5. So Aurora gets a better buy, I get a better buy, and everyone's happy. So that's my prediction, is it's going to be stabling between 540 to 550 until Thursday. And then if they announce the buyback share, they announce the buy share, the stock is gonna rise. If it doesn't, maybe it'll decline lower. So, but I'm definitely buying if it drops down to $5. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna leave it alone. AMD, I think AMD is going to have a little pullback. I think it's going to be trading between $18 to $19 for like the whole week, but that's just my prediction. Facebook, I think Facebook is going to have a pullback. I think it's going to be trading around $170. That's just my prediction though. So, and Afria's revenue quarter report. I think that Afria is going to have $12 million revenue for Q4. Let's give them a little bit more. For $30 million. I predict $30 million for their revenue on August 1st. Gross profit, I believe they're going to be profitable. So they're going to be $13 million and profitable on the Q4 earnings. That's just my prediction. Let's see what happens. I keep saying that. That's really bad. You guys should realize it's just a prediction. Okay, so Apple's going to have the quarter report on July 31st. If it does really well and it's just way above expectation, we could be looking at the next one. We could be looking at the first $1 trillion company on the market ever. But I have to say that I don't think they're gonna hit that $1 trillion yet. I think it's gonna take some time. So I think that I'm bearish. I think that the stock is gonna decline because there's been a lot of big companies that have been declining lately. Like Amazon had really good earnings and it didn't really move the stock anywhere. It moved up and then it moved down, so it like kind of just went nowhere. So I think that Apple, I'm more bearish on the Apple side. I think that if Apple declines to, like, let's say $1.80, then or $1.85, then maybe it'll have like a 5% pop, but I don't think it's gonna hit that $1 trillion market cap yet, but we'll see what happens. So I think that my prediction is the stock's gonna fall to $1.85, and then when the report comes out, it's probably gonna jump up to like $1.95 or $1.90 or whatever, and then yeah, that's my prediction. But if they really impress investors, maybe this will be the first $1 trillion company, and I can come out with a video. Apple, the first $1 trillion company on the stock market. I bet you a lot of people are gonna be making videos on that if that happens. So we'll see what happens. This is my prediction. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.